Welcome to our new Shri Shri Yoga session. Today we will learn the alternate nostril breathing technique, or the Nadi Shodhana pranayam. Sit comfortably with your spine erect and shoulders relaxed. Place your left hand on your knee, palm open to the sky, and gently bring the tips of the index finger and thumb in contact with each other. With the right hand, control the flow of breath through the nostrils. Place the index and middle finger on your forehead between the eyebrows. Place the little finger and ring finger gently on the left nostril, placing the thumb on the right. Press your thumb down and breathe out gently through the left nostril. Then breathe in from the left nostril and breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the right nostril and exhale from the left. You have just completed one round of Nadi Shodhana pranayam. Remember to breathe in from the same nostril from which you exhaled. It's important to take long, deep breaths in without forcing or putting effort, as if you were smelling the fragrance of a flower. Complete 9 such rounds. Keep your eyes closed and continue taking long, deep breaths. You can practice this breathing technique 2 to 3 times a day. Nadi Shodhana pranayam pauses the chatter that goes on in the mind. Do a 10-minute meditation after doing this pranayam and keep this beautiful feeling of peace and calm with you through the day.